Here's a level 13 tip question. Find the length of C to E, given that AD measures 7.9569 hectometers, BE measures 6.208 hectometers, and CD measures 6.5102 hectometers. We're looking for C to E, A to D over B to E, compared to, on the opposite side, is proportional to C to D over C to E, which is this unknown X. Then I'm going to fill in everything I know. A to D is 7.9569. B to E is 6.208. C to D is 6.5102. And C to E is our unknown. I want to get the C to E alone and on top, so I'm going to switch it with the 7.9569. I have this double arrow here. So the CE is coming up here. The 7.9569 is going to come down here. Then to get the CE all alone here, the 6.208 is going to come across and multiply the 6.5102 like this. We multiply the top, divide by the bottom, and that gives us 5.0793 hectometers. Let's have a look at another one. We're being asked to find D to E, given that A to B measures 20.4 centimeters. A to C, this whole length here, is 21.5979 centimeters. C to D is 9.7191 centimeters. D to E compared to A to B, this side of the small triangle, is proportional to this corresponding side of the larger triangle. D to E to A to B is the side D to C compared to this whole side A to C. I'm after D to E. I'm going to cross multiply the A to B up like that. Let's fill in everything we know. The A to B is 20.4. The C to D is 9.7191. The A to C is the 21.5979. We want to get the D to E alone. That's the only thing we don't know. I'm going to cross multiply the 20.4. It's going to come up and multiply the 9.7191, divide the result by 21.5979, and that gives us 9.18 centimeters. And that's it for level 13, parallel lines within triangles. Have a good day.